are to be taken in offices and field units about social distancing, but the maintenance is such that the staff cannot work with social distancing. The various asset maintenance activities.
This question will be answered in the last session.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
सर एक क्वेश्चन और था इस रिगार्डिंग द यूज ऑफ सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइड सो दे आर यूजिंग सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइड एट ऑल द प्लेसेस लाइक फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज में भी कर रहे हैं व्हीकल पे भी कर रहे हैं but it has got, as I read from the internet, that it has got some harmful in the environment impact also. So shall we continue with using the product at all the places or some limited?
Yeah, as I said, it is harmful effect if it's sprayed upon you. If it's sprayed upon my skin, if it's sprayed upon my nose or face, then it is harmful. But suppose, and somebody may be allergic to this toxic odor if it is concentrated at a certain particular place. But otherwise it is very much effective and not harmful in that way if it is not sprayed upon this. And that's why you remember that this sanitizing tunnels were being initiated initially, but government has taken it back. Because there also hypochlorite solution was being sprayed. In some developed countries they are using ozone gas, ozone spray. But it is not possible for government of India to spray ozone every time. It is not economic also. And hydrogen peroxide also cannot be sprayed upon the body, because the concept is that, the logic is this, that the virus is spreading, virus is within our body. It is not on the surface of our body. So even if we spray something on us, it will not help. Rather it will cause toxic effects. So in the workshop place, wherever the sanitizing is being done 1% hypochlorite, let it be. It's good. It is very cheap also and very much easily available also. Only thing is that it should not be sprayed upon anybody individual.
Some products of UV based are also coming, sir, like UV based tunnel or the UV machines for the sanitization of documents. How effective are those equipments?
It is not being proved yet, because this is only certain papers have come up, no peer review has come up. So until unless it is established fully how effective it would be, how availability of those UV equipments will be there, what would be the cost, how much it would be effective. So no details research has been done. Because you see nowadays, today you will find Italy has brought out some vaccine. It will coming up yesterday I got on WhatsApp from a person who is from Delhi, but he is staying in Italy. So he sent a video. He is driving the car in Italy and he is saying that just now in the radio Prime Minister has said we are going to take out the vaccine by end of October. So it is a good sign. So whether it will be coming out in the, so now everybody is competing in this world. It's such a critical scenario in the world. People are doing business, people are also taking care of the health, and everybody is claiming everything. So until it is proved, and in our country, see, if it is established by ICMR, if it is seconded by AIIMS, because AIIMS do give a trial also in their hospital, until unless it is done, we are not sure what will happen. These are all theoretical.
One more thing, sir. Yesterday I saw a policy also about the reimbursement policy for oximeter, the oximeter equipment. I saw the policy issued by Government of India, wherein the government employees will be entitled to have a reimbursement claim of up to 1,200.
Yes.
Would you like to explain about this oximeter thing?
Oximeter, pulse oximeter can be placed. It's a two battery cell, AA cell operated small thing. As you have come across in past also, if you go to the hospital and some respiratory problem is there, they put on in the finger for a couple of seconds, and thereafter the pulse rate and the saturation of oxygen level is being detected. Now because in case of isolation, who are positive cases but mild or very mild cases, they are being advised by Ministry of Health and Family to go for home isolation for 17 days. And this circular came out on 10th of May. So according to this, you have to monitor yourself, because doctor is not possible for a railway doctor or a state doctor to come to your place home every day and monitoring you until unless you are in a COVID hospital, maybe it railway or state. So if the pulse oximeter is there and this thing, digital thermometer is there with you in your home, the monitor best can be done monitoring at your home only. So you put on into your finger. Today my saturation of oxygen, which is normally has to be 94 and above, normally, not less than 94 in normal cases, and in case of children it should be not up to the 90%, not less than 90. So if you can monitor that, so you will be self-confident that yes, my saturation of oxygen is okay, so there is no lung involvement yet, though I am positive, and my temperature is also not there. I am not having fever. So this is why it is a good thing if government does this reimbursement for everybody, and you can purchase one and keep it at your home for future, of course.
सर वन क्वेश्चन सर प्लीज.
हाँ बोलिए.
सर जैसे मान लो अपन ऑफिस वगैरह में है तो अपन फेस वगैरह धो नहीं सकते हैं साबुन वगैरह से.
Yes.
तो क्या अपन फेस पर सैनिटाइजर
नहीं कभी मत करिए.
सर वही पूछ रहे.
कभी मत करिए. डोंट टच योर फेस, पहली बात है.
ओके सर.
ये गलती कभी मत करना. नेवर टच योर फेस. फेस कैनॉट बी टच्ड until unless you reach home, take a shower and then only. That also shower से पहले आपने 30 to 40 seconds सर्जिकल हैंड वॉश जैसे दिखाया गया वो किया है. घर ऑफिस में जब सब रहेंगे, शरीर पे कुछ भी हो, चेहरे पे कुछ भी हो, डोंट टच. इवन डोंट टच द योर मास्क ऑल्सो. अगर मास्क को टच करना है, मान लीजिए आपको पानी पीना है, मेनी ऑफ यू आई हैव आस्क्ड ऑल्सो दैट अगर पानी कैसे पिए, इसके पानी आप पी सकते, आप कोने को पकड़ दीजिए. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू. यहाँ पे मास्क जाता है, आजकल सभी ईयर लूप वाला है इलास्टिक, यहाँ से पकड़िए ऑन द अपर पार्ट कॉर्नर, इसको जस्ट उस पर करके पुट इट डाउन अप टू योर चिन. डोंट अलाउ इट टू हैंग ऑन योर चेस्ट, जस्ट अप टू योर चिन. आप चाय पी लीजिए, कॉफी पी लीजिए, टेक सम वाटर. हो गया. सैनिटाइज योर हैंड बिकॉज यू हैव टच्ड इट. टच करने के जैसे आपने टच किया, हैंड वॉश करके फिर पानी पीजिए, और पानी पीने के बाद जैसे आपने टच करके उसको ऊपर कर लिया, अगेन यू सैनिटाइज करके देन यू टच योर पेन. ये हैबिट्स आना चाहिए. दिस आर दी हैबिट्स यू हैव टू इनकलकेट इन कमिंग मंथ्स, कमिंग ईयर्स, टू इन ऑर्डर टू कीप यू सेफ. भले एसिम्प्टोमेटिक हमारा चारों ओर घूम रहे, लेकिन उससे बचने के लिए हमारा ये चीज़ की जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स फोमाइट्स है उसको टच करने से मेरे फेस पे ना जाए, ताकि मेरे शरीर में ना आए. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, इफ आई पुट ऑन मास्क, एटलीस्ट आई कैन प्रोटेक्ट माई सेल्फ. 3 लेयर कॉटन वॉशेबल मास्क. एंड सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, सभी को 6 फीट के दूर से बात करो. ई फाइल यूज करिए. डोंट टेक द फाइल हार्ड कॉपी फाइल, बिकॉज पेपर में इट इज सेड, पेपर में दो द वायरस स्टेज फॉर अ वेरी ब्रीफ पीरियड फ्रॉम 3 hours to 3 days, whereas in steel and other plastics, aluminium, उसके ऊपर it stays for a longer time, 5-6 days. So better would be कि we take out, never touch your face.
Thank you sir.
Okay Rajesh, shall I end here and for the next session?
Right sir, thank you sir. So hope it was clearing some of the doubts we had in our mind.